Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on OUTKITEL WP23. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar, and now click Wally AI and click search and click install. Now click open, and here click this button to skip introduction, and now click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something and click search. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.